Hello kids, let's learn some colors name. Black color, light green color, dark blue color, dark green color, brown color, purple color, sky blue color, yellow color, violet color, red color, orange color. A K R X C I S V F N P Y E L O Z G M Q W B J T U D H A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye. Hello. Let's learn some colors. Red color, violet color, brown color, yellow color, purple color, light blue color, dark green color, black color, pink color, light green color, dark blue color, orange color. Let's learn some numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Red color. Number 1. Number 1. Violet color. Number 2. Number 2. Orange color. Number 3. Number 3. Brown color. Number 4. Number 4. Yellow color. Number 5. Number 5. Black color. Number 6. Number 6. Pink color. Number 7. Number 7. Light green color. Number 8. Number 8. Purple color. Number 9. Number 9. Light blue color. Number 10. Number 10. Red color. Number 11. Number 11. Light blue color. Number 12. Number 12. Dark blue color. Number 13. Number 13. Orange color. Number 14. Number 14. Purple color. Number 15. Number 15. Brown color. Number 16. Number 16. Red color. Number 17. Number 17. Violet color. Number 18. Number 18. Pink color. Number 19. Number 19. Dark green color. Number 20. Number 20. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.